Her real name is Yagmur Sahbazova. Date of birth February 13, 1987. Present age she is currently 37 years old. She was born in Azerbaijan. She is a Turkish by nationality. She is an actress by profession. Years active 2016 to present. Her height is 5 feet 5 inches tall. Her ethnicity is white. Her zodiac sign is Aquarius. Marital status she is unmarried. Her education is unknown. Net worth $1 million to $5 million. Her real name is Hande Ercel. Date of birth November 24, 1993. Present age she is currently 29 years old. She was born in Badırma, Turkey. She is a Turkish by nationality. She is an actor by profession. Years active 2014 to present. Her height is 5 feet 8 inches tall. Her ethnicity is white. Her zodiac sign is Sagittarius. Marital status she is unmarried. Boyfriend affairs maybe it's rumor. Net worth $1 million to $5 million. I hope you like it. If you're new to my channel, like the video and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Keep supporting. Thank you so much for watching.